Kal yang persyak Kongres kala klaim no Meghalaya hadin bakala duk no saya unong mi khmat bakat duk jongka hapoh ke iingdorbar thau an da ke jing ino kam jong u MLA na pok melim u Bah Ronnie Lyngdoh u bala Leit ban penyaso no ialah Desha Keseng National People's Party NPP. Bah Ronnie ula Leit ban IT ya ka shithi ino kam sha speaker ke iingdorbar thau an ke jela u Thomas A Sangma hne ka laipho terik naitung ha ke jinga don lang usembut menteri rang ba snya balang dhar u MLA barim ka melim ba Hamlet Sondokling bat unoyalam ka NPP ba Daniel M Thangkhiu na lor ki wipan. Nakal yang ulampang ula pediang ya kini ka shithi ino kam jong u Bah Ronnie kum u chief whip jong kal yang persyak bat ai ke jing itu kum udukhat ka NPP hadin bala penbena ya kini ke jing ino kam bat ke jing kerpat ban penyaso ialah Desha ke NPP. Une u MLA ke melim ula kedau ba kini ke rai ke dekat kum ke jing kuat jong kinong kersan bat kinong yalam jong u na ke benta ke jing mentoy jong ki paj ba ka konstituensi hi barok kawai. Habakren syakilat patai kubor u Bah Ronnie ulaong kinong kersan bat kinong yalam jonga hadien bala bishar bnia ya ke jinglong jingman ha ke jela kila kerpat yang bangan perkhat biang ya ke jingya dei bat ke Indian National Congress INC khamtam na ke benta ka bah kamiat jong kinong shnong ka konstituensi bat kani ke jing penyaso ka dei halor kani kanong rim. Kamdon kenu ke babakla bat ke Kongres Henry ngiladon sangut ki MLA hak ka ba uwe na ki ula syajet kum MP ketura bat laingut ki wei pat ki lami no na ka parti. Ngalasak setang marwe kum tanah ke liang ki paj ba ki lapen pau ba na ka benta ka bah kamiat jong ka konstituensi pidei ben perkhat biang ya ka kerdan jong pi kum MLA ke Kongres bat hadien balaya mir jingmut bat ki kala shim por daki benai shua ban shim ya kani ka rai ban priyaso sya ka NPP na ka benta ka jing mentoy jong ka konstituensi ula benram. Bah Ronnie ula banjur ru baka Kongres kadang don haduk menta wat la kam don syu weiru unong mi khmat hapoh ke iingdorbar thau an kata da ka penyahap bat ki weipat ki seng san perthei kum ka khnam ki badang yai beteng ban tre kam kum ki seng san perthei wat la kim don nong mi khmat. Ula ong ru babaru kinong yalam bat nong kersan jong u kila penyaso lang ha kani ka rai jong u ban penyaso sya ka NPP. Ula ai burom ru hapoh ke jingalam jong menteri rang ba ke jela halor ke jingla ban penyat syaprang yaki projek kam penroy ha ke jela bat penpau ru ke jing sngongu yaki paj ba halor ke jing kersan ke jongki. Halor ke jing keli la kala don ne em ke jingya penbej ha pedeng jong u bat u MLA barim u ba Hamlet Sondokling u Bah Ronnie ulaong. Kata kam don setia haki jingmut jing perkhat jonga namar ka kam jonga kadang sa arsnem shiteng ban treina ke benta ke konstituensi bat kinong shnong bat halor ke ningin saya pej ondala poi kapor. Habakali halor ke jing tumu ke jong una ke benta ke election MLA Arhajar Arpupra u Bah Ronnie ulaong baka syong ha ke rai jong ke NPP ha ke baya dei bat ke benta jong u hapoh ke parti.
All these people sitting in the room and outside, I think that is the answer. My supporters, my leaders, they're taking everything into consideration, the political scenario in the state. They requested me that you reconsider your affiliation with the INC and for the interest of the people of the constituency, they've requested me that I reconsider my affiliation with the INC. This is the culmination of it. I think that is not a fair argument because the party exists. The only thing is they do not have legislators in the assembly. The party exists. Now, for example, you'll see other political parties also. KNAM is a political party. Okay. They do not have MLAs, but they still exist as a political party. Okay. This is the wishes of the people that I reconsider my affiliation with the INC and think about the constituency, think about the overall development of the constituency. This is the decision we have taken. What's wrong with the Congress? Okay. But then, we had 5 MLAs. One was elected as an MP, 3 left. So I was all alone. So then the people said, in the interest of the constituency, you reconsider your position as an MLA of the Congress. After discussion with them, took several months, okay, taking everything to consideration, this is the decision we have arrived at, that I joined the NPP for the interest of the constituency, the interest, to meet the expectations, aspirations of the people. We are at very good terms at a personal level, at a political level, but regarding his position, it's up to the High Command, the Indian National Congress High Command, to take a call on that. I'm nobody to decide on his on his position.
You had a consultation with the Pala on this development?
You see, now my I owe it to my people, okay, because it's the people who elected me, okay. Yes, he is the head of the party, but then whatever decision I take, it's for the interest of the people, by the people, for the people. I'm guided by the wishes and hopes of the people, and abide by that. Yeah, his leadership. You can see a lot of things happening on the ground. For example, that four-laning of Shillong-Dawki Road is happening under his leadership. So, because I think, most of us, to come out of the house, to go out anywhere, especially to come Shillong, it's a daily nightmare. Okay, I believe with the completion of the project, we're going to reach wherever we wish to go in time and in record time. You see, I think that was never in my mind, okay, because if there are 2.5 years, my job is to work for the constituency, work for the people, and then that we will cross the bridge as and when it comes. Depends on the party, okay, depends on the party. Now that I am a member of the National People's Party, it depends on them, whom they think best can, winnability and all that. Yes, see, all of them. I think you must have seen more outside. And these are just, few leaders from each village. These are just 3, 4, 5 from one village, 3, 4, 5, because we have this primary unit, okay. So we have not invited all the members. For example, we have just invited few leaders, 4 or 5 from each primary unit, from each village.